Here, golden Titan, whose eternal eye, with matchless sight illumines all the sky. Native, unwearied in diffusing light, and to all eyes the object of delight. Lord of the seasons, beaming light from far, sonorous, dancing in thy four-yoked car. With thy right hand, the source of morning light, and with thy left, the father of the night. Agile and vigorous, venerable sun, fiery and bright, around the heavens you run, foe to the wicked, but the good man's guide. Over all his steps, propitious you preside. With various sounding, golden lyre, 'tis thine, to fill the world with harmony divine. Father of ages, guide of prosperous deeds, the world's commander, borne by lucid steeds. Immortal Jove, flute-playing, bearing light, source of existence, pure and fiery bright, bearer of fruit, almighty Lord of years, agile and warm, whom every power reveres. Bright eye, that round the world, incessant flies, doomed, with fair, fulgid rays, to set and rise. Dispensing justice, lover of the stream, the world's great master, and over all supreme, faithful defender, and the eye of right, of steeds the ruler, and of life the light, with sounding whip. 4 fiery steeds you guide, when in the glittering car of day you ride. Propitious on these mystic labors shine, and bless thy suppliants with a life divine.